You're filming, aren't you? Dead face. You know what? In these circumstances, it's probably best to actually film the fire. Look at the fire. Isn't that pretty?
Go up or go up.
Hang on, oh no, I'm lying on my face.
Put down. Fire. Someone just ran in front of the fire like,
I am Fire Warrior!
yeah.
What, do they look a bit like this guy right here?
I am towards you.
Yeah. I am
oh my god,
Fire
it went
Warrior.
really yellow. At one point it went really yellow. My phone does some weird thing where everything goes really yellow at one point. It was like really, really yellow fire. Oh! Yay! Someone just tripped over me.
Nice. How dare they? How dare they trip over you? Do they know who they're tripping over? God.
Obviously not.
Obviously. These kids are just so badass, just like walking past the fire like, yes.
Yes.
I don't even care about the fire right now. I am happily warm.
Happily warm. Happily burning. Oh my god, when you look at it, it just burns.
My eyes are burning!
Yeah. My eyes burn, but then when I look at my phone in front of it, they don't. It's like blocking the heat. It went really yellow again. No, I meant like on my phone. Usually it's white. Usually on my phone it's white. Like now it's white and like pink. But at one point, now it went like really yellow on my phone. It goes, my phone does this weird thing. Huh? Oh my god. Let me see. I'm just like...
South Heighton, Denton's, what is this?
South Heighton. Tasty bonfire. Tasty bonfire.
Tasty. Nom. All these kids are so cool. They're like, just walking past this fire, like, yep. These kids are sort of hanging with lightsabers. Yes. Duel. You go that way, I'll go this way. How are you doing, man? Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm still filming.
Are you?
I filmed like everything.
I must film about a minute. I'm so good at filming things.
You look pink.
I look pink. I look pinker than usual. Great. Just
Your hair looks pink, your coat looks pink, and your face looks pink.
does make sense. It's got pink hair, a red coat, and a very pink face.
No, but it doesn't look red, it looks pink.
Huh? Oh, we like moving.
Because I'm filming.
Tasty fire.
Tasty fire.
I'll let you know on that, baby. What would happen if I just walked up to it right now? Should I walk up to it?
Okay, you're gonna die.
That'll be fine. I'm gonna take off my coat, though, because that's a bit overkill. Oh no, my jeans are wet. Right.
Totally. What did you do?
I had a bit of an accident. Right. I'm gonna embrace the fire.
Okay.
You ready? You ready, Piss?
Yeah.
Get us on film. Preparing. Okay.
Going into the heat.
I'm warm.
How are you not dead?
I'm really warm. That was so cool, though. Do it. You know you want to.
Me.
And that guy just got you just.